Hello guys, welcome back to Tech N Techies. In this video, we will learn how to create and modify text files using the Nano text editor. Basically, Nano is a terminal-based text editor that allows us to create, open and modify text files directly within the terminal. It is an easy-to-use and lightweight tool that offers features such as syntax highlighting, line numbering, search and replace, copy, cut and paste, among others. So in this video, we will cover the fundamentals of Nano. So basically, Nano is one tool that you will be using on a daily basis. So generally, Nano is available by default in many Linux distributions. But if it is not installed, you may install it using the following command. So first you have to open the terminal and type sudo apt install nano. After that you have to put your login credential, that is password of your user ID, and after that you have to click on enter and then the installation will be start. So you can see in the screen that I have already downloaded the Nano and it is the newest version of it. So we will start with the practical. So now what you have to do is type Nano and press enter. So now you can see we are inside the Nano text editor. After that you can see at the bottom that these are the options that we can use with the Nano. The first option that we have is Ctrl plus G. So this is for the help. So we can type Ctrl plus G and now you can see it displays the documentation for Nano in detail. So you can see the detailed information about the Nano. Here we have the description for Nano, what it is and what it does. Now press the down arrow key to scroll through the entire documentation here. These are the options that we can use with Nano. So guys, feel free to go through this lengthy documentation. So now to exit out of this documentation, press Q. Okay, so now let us type some lines on this text editor. I'm going to type some lines on it. Okay guys, so now I have wrote this line. Now we will type Ctrl O. This is for write out. Write out simply means saving the content to a file. I have not saved these lines into a file yet, so to save we will press Ctrl plus O. Now here, as you can see, file name to write. Specify the file name where you want to save this content. Let me give let's say file name practical.txt. Remember guys, by default the Nano saves the file in your current working directory. Okay, now press enter. As you can see, we have saved our file. Now to exit out of Nano, press Ctrl plus X. Now let me check whether the file has been created or not. As you can see guys, practical.txt file has been created. Now I want to edit or modify this practical.txt. So we will modify it. So type nano practical.txt. Press enter. Now we have opened the txt file successfully. Now we can modify this file however we like. So guys, that's how you can create, save and modify contents of text file using Nano text editor. Now let me show you one trick that you can use for saving time. We can create the file at the beginning when we start Nano. All you need to do is type Nano and specify the file name. Okay, if the file is already exists, then it will open the existing file, and if the file does not exist, then Nano will create the file. Press enter. So now press Ctrl O for saving the content for the file. Press Ctrl X to exit out of the Nano. As you can see, the new file also has been created. We can check the file by typing ls, as you know as well. So now let's go to the next command. Now we will learn how to copy, paste and cut paste in Nano. For copying and pasting might seem quite obvious and easy, but in terminal based text editor it can be a little tricky. So we will start with cut and paste. Let me open this practical.txt file. Let's say I want to cut this line. So take your cursor to the line that you want to cut, and your cursor doesn't have to be exactly at the beginning. You can place it anywhere in the line. Okay, so for cutting the specific line you have to press Ctrl key plus K. So this is for cutting. And for pasting you have to press Ctrl plus U. And of course you can paste it anywhere in the file. Let me paste it here. Now as you can see, I want to cut a specific portion. Let's say this. So I only want to cut this particular portion. So take your cursor to the exact part that you want to cut. First we have to mark what you want to cut. Okay. So to mark that, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus 6. And once you do that, at the bottom you will see mark set. Now mark what you want to cut. Use your arrow keys to mark the text. I'm going to use it, a right arrow. Now that I have marked, press Ctrl plus key for cutting the selected or marked portion, Ctrl key. Okay, so for obviously cutting the portion you have to press Ctrl plus K. As you can see, it has been cut out. Now I am going to paste it here. So you can paste it as many times as you like, of course, and you have to press Ctrl plus U button to paste. Okay, so guys, that's how you can cut and paste a specific portion. Now let's move on to the copy and paste. You have to do the same method for copy and paste. Just for copying the section or the line you want to copy, you have to press Alt plus 6. Okay, and for pasting again you have to press Ctrl plus U button. So this is how you can copy and paste using Nano text editor. I hope you understood this video and you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe our channel and press that bell icon. Thank you.